Hello everyone, this is Lynette again with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of our Soapy Time adventures. So we're over on my side counter today because I have 1,000 balms, not bombs, like as in bath bombs, but balms, B-A-L-M-S, sitting on my other counter getting ready to be poured. So I had to come over to my side counter in order to get this made. This is a remake of our Love Spell or Loving Spell cold process soap. This is for a wholesale order, and this is actually one of my best sellers, along with black raspberry vanilla and my mango papaya, and then my farmer's market and my lemon poppy seed. So I'm going to make another batch of these. I'll have a couple bars left over to put in the shop, and the rest will be sitting aside to go to this wholesale order. So the fragrance we're going to be using is Nature's Garden's Loving Spell. And then the colors we're going to be using is Mad Mica's Voodoo and Mad Mica's Grape Knee High. Sorry, I'm kind of on a weird angle here. So I have already added my kale and clay, my colloidal oats, and my goat's milk powder, because this is going to be a goat's milk soap. That was a requirement from the client, is that it be a goat's milk soap. And so I've already got that in here. I've got it stirring, been having it sit here for a while. And now I need to go grab my stick blender because I forgot it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my stick blender. I don't know why I always forget that. Anyways, oh yeah, and then I'm also going to be doing a white portion where I'm going to be using titanium dioxide that's already mixed up in the water. So the reason why I have it on my scale is because I already added my my portion of liquid that wasn't included in my lye water. So in my previous videos I told you I do a master batch of lye, and I do a 50-50 lye solution, and then I just add whatever I need to my water, whether it's going to be goat's milk or, you know, aloe vera juice or whatnot. And I used dried goat's milk powder because goat's milk is out of season now. And so I powdered all my goat's milk, and so I just put it in here and as a powder, and then I added my additional water. So I've been letting that sit for a while, and it should be ready to go. And so I'm just going to stick blend that all together, and then I'm going to add my portion of lye water, which, oh, I guess I need to add that up because I don't know what it is right off the top of my head. So 4.47. So yeah, so it'd be almost 9 ounces. So I'm going to split it off into 3 batches. I think I'm going to do, let me see if I can find my hanger tool. If I can find my hanger tool really fast, I'll do a hanger swirl. I don't think I have it. I think it's in the sink. So I gotta go find it if I'm gonna do the hanger swirl. So I'll be right back again. Okay, so I found my hanger tool, and now we can put it in there. We'll do a hanger swirl. I'm just gonna do a swoopy top, and I think that's it. So without further ado, let's get soaping.